Humidity is something that cannot be built within a day or a week. It needs some small and aware changes in our daily lives to make our body system work better every day. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about that one essential thing that everybody should keep in their homes all season. A mitti ka matka or an earthen pot or a clay pot are an indigenous way of storing water in summer season. In the scorching heat of India, we can't do without chilled water, but it's well known that refrigerated water isn't good for you. In India, it is easily available during summers in the local markets. But people staying outside India can also buy it online on Amazon or Flipkart. It is easily available. In this video, I will be talking about tips of buying a matka, tips of storing water in a matka, health benefits, and Vastu tips of keeping it at your home. Health benefits of drinking water from a matka. Naturally cooling effect. The water in it remains such cool that it's actually drinkable for like 2 to 3 glasses, unlike fridge water, which is only drinkable 1 to 2 sips and don't even calm your thirst. It cools the water at a perfect temperature and our body actually feels fresh and cool from within. Prevents sunstrokes. Sunstrokes are a common problem during summers. The vitamins and minerals from the water stored in clay pots will help in maintaining the body glucose levels. Alkaline in nature. The human body is acidic in nature, while clay is alkaline. Water from these alkaline pots, when consumed, reacts with the acidic nature of our body and helps in creating a proper pH balance. It is the most sustainable way of consuming alkaline water. Boosts metabolism. When we drink water stored in plastic bottles, it contains toxic chemicals like bisphenol A or BPA, which harms the body in many ways. Matka water boosts metabolism and controls blood sugar levels. Tips of buying a matka. Whenever you are buying a matka, keep this one thing in mind, that it should not be highly polished and shiny and smooth. The right kind of a matka is the one which has lots of open pores in it, just like this one. This helps it to perform better and give the most of its properties to you and infuse the necessary minerals inside your body. Always buy a matka which has a tap attached to it, or you can even ask the vendor to fix it for you. A tap will prevent it from being contaminated again and again. Mostly a matka has no cover on top. Buy one, or you can even cover it with any utensil of your home. Tips of storing water in a matka. As soon as you buy a matka from the market, don't forget to wash it and leave it overnight for drying. You must be wondering, I already have an AquaGuard or a water purifier that will do all these jobs. But let me tell you one thing, that an AquaGuard uses various chemicals and harmful substances to do its job, which is ultimately harming you in one way or the other. The best way to use an AquaGuard and an earthen pot together is to store the water from the AquaGuard into the matka, which will give you more confidence, and the matka will ultimately neutralize the chemicals from the purifier and make your water more healthy. As soon as you store water into the matka, make sure you are wrapping it all around with a wet cloth, which will make your water more cooler and you would no longer need a refrigerated water to calm your thirst. Few Vastu tips. Never leave your matka empty. Always keep some water into it. Keep your matka in the north direction of your house. Mostly, a kitchen is located in the north or east direction of our homes, and this is the best place to keep it.